right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of last week's $50 free break credit for filling 10 or more breaks in a week. So the list is here is everybody that did not win last week, or each break. These are the non-winners. So we'll check the time February 8th. Let this roll over here to 11:15 a.m. And we'll go over here and type live. And we have February 8th at 11:15 a.m. There is the list of our 119 non-winning spots. I'm just going to randomize this list, and then whoever's on top after the final roll wins the $50 free break credit. So with this list, we're going to roll 3 dice. Has to be 8 or higher. There is 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Brian, spot number 1. 1 out of 119 is the winner. So, Brian, you have a $50 break credit to spend as you wish. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, February 8th, 11:15 a.m. That's it, guys. We'll see you tonight.